welcome you all to today's Focus of the Day session. Today we are going to talk about the ammoindiaconference, which is being attended by our Defense Minister Shri Rajnathsingh. We shall be discussing about this particular topic in the following sequence: why it is in news, about ammoindiaconference, followed by the prelims and mains based practice questions for you guys. But before that, I want you all to be aware about the Mains Age 2022 program by Analyst IAS, wherein you can get help for polity, essay, public administration and ethics. Do check out the details given over here and apply soon to improve your score in the mains examination and also to avail the early bird discount. Now let's discover why it is in news. So Union Defense Minister Rajnathsingh is attending the second military ammunition conference Ammo India 2022. Please note it is second conference of its kind and is scheduled to be held from July 27 to 28, 2022, that is yesterday and today. The conference is being organized by FICCI in association with the Center for Joint Warfare Studies CENJOWS. Now let's get into the details of Ammo India Conference. So the Defense Minister Rajnathsingh urged for self-reliance in the defense sector and also urged the private sector to work with the government in catering to the ammunition needs of the armed forces. He was attending the second Ammo India Conference on military ammunition on the theme Make in India, Opportunities and Challenges. The Raksha Mantri described advanced ammunition as the reality of the new age warfare, which is must for India given its regional and global imperatives and security challenges. Shri Rajnath Singh asserted that the government understands the crucial role private sector can play in strengthening the defense sector and to enhance the participation in the field of ammunition. Many barriers which were earlier prevalent have been removed now. The Raksha Mantri also emphasized the importance of precision-guided munitions, saying that it will play a role in future warfare equal to weapons platforms due to its constantly evolving nature. The employment of precision-guided ammunition at Muntho Dhalo base played an important role in India's victory in 1999 Kargil War. Precision strike of ammunition during 2019 strikes on terror camps in Balakot also ensured our success in the operation. Through precision ammunition, destruction of civil establishments can be avoided and the values of peace and humanity in the times of war can be preserved. The Raksha Mantri reiterated the government's commitment to achieve Atmanirbharta in defense and said that all efforts are being made to empower the domestic industry, which can equip the armed forces with homegrown world-class weapons or systems crucial for bolstering national security. Now, what all are indigenously manufactured ammunitions that we currently have? Number 1, guided extended range rockets for Pinaka. Number 2, advanced lightweight torpedo. Number 3, anti-radiation missiles for loitering munition. Shri Rajnath Singh appreciated the fact that 6 of the 7 new defense companies which were carved out of erstwhile Ordnance Factory Board have reported profit within 6 months. Of their inception, Munitions India Limited has also received export orders worth Rs 500 crore. The Raksha Mantri listed out many other reforms taken by Ministry of Defence, including earmarking of 68% of capital acquisition budget for domestic industry in 2022-23 and allocating 25% of the domestic capital procurement budget for promotion of private industry, MSMEs and startups. He also shed light on policy which allows DRDO Industry Special Purpose Vehicle to develop essential advanced defense products. He added that the government fully understands the role of MSMEs and startups in the defense sector. Therefore, the scope of Defense Innovation, Startup Challenges and Technology Development Fund has been expanded to create more opportunities for them. On this occasion, the Raksha Mantri also inaugurated an exhibition showcasing products developed by Indian Navy, DPSUs and private sector. He also released a knowledge paper at the conference. Senior civil and military officials of Ministry of Defence and representatives from the industry, academia, startups, as well as innovators were present in the conference. So this was about Ammo India Conference, which is currently being held, and it is second conference of its kind. The theme once again of this year's conference is Make in India, Opportunity and Challenges. Let's look at the prelims based practice question now. Rudram 1 successfully tested by DRDO is A. Cruise missile, B. Anti-tank guided missile, C. Anti-radiation missile, and D. Medium range surface to air missile. You need to pick the correct option and put your answers in the comment box. Now let's look at the mains practice question. Do you think the vision of Atmanirbharbharat would be a game changer for the domestic industries? Substantiate your views. You need to answer this particular question in 250 words. You can write this answer and send it to us on WhatsApp to get it reviewed. This is it for today. I shall see you again tomorrow. Till then, take care and stay tuned. Thank you so much for joining in.